Hi guys, we're up in my workroom again. Cleared a space on the bench again. Gonna make this wheelie bin into a little radio controlled car. I promised somebody I would do it quite a while ago. Couldn't find one of these, and in the end made a car out of this swing top bin. But now I've found this one in a charity shop. So we'll make it radio controlled. We need some bits from radio controlled cars. So this is the steering, salvaged out of one car, and the motor, axle and gearbox, salvaged, I think, possibly out of the same car. They look similar, and they've certainly got the same wheels on. I've modified them in that I've put these standard JST connectors directly wired to the terminals on the motors. Well, that one I extended a bit, but that's the same thing. That means I can plug them straight into a suitable battery connector. So that works. And for the steering, so that works. So next thing, we need a receiver, and this is one out of another toy car that I've already put the connectors on. I'll do a close-up in a minute, because I have been asked about this in the past a few times. But you've got the receiver control chip there. This one is an RX-2-C 90614-285. These transistors here are the H bridge, controlling, what's that? That says M1 on it, so motor 1. And those 4 transistors are the H bridge for M2, motor 2. And the antenna comes out there. Now, because I've actually run out of these connectors, I recently had to cut them off of this one so I could use them on a different model. So I'm going to have to resolder those now that I've got some of these come in my post bag series. And then that should be good to go. Right, let's see, can we see that chip on there? There we go, RX-2-C or G, can't quite tell. And then 90614-285. Then these are the 4 transistors for the H bridge. And just there it says M1 plus and M1 minus. So that's motor 1. That's upside down now because I've just turned it up the other way, but that does say M2 plus and M2 minus. You will notice that wire's going through the top of the board. The other wire isn't going through there. That's because this is an old board that I've used for many things, and the circuit board, the track, focus, the track has actually come loose, so I've had to trace it back and solder to somewhere where the track was in good condition. But that is the M2 minus wire going to there now. The M1 was okay, they're soldered through the board okay. And then I've just got to replace that one and that one with a new connector. And that will be multi-purpose. We can just transfer it between cars. Right, plugged in. So steering's working. That looks okay. So there we are, a multi-purpose toy grade receiver, so that we can plug in a suitable battery and suitable motors and just transfer that receiver from car to car. I've just roughly marked out where I need to cut some holes to fit the components through. I don't have a Dremel tool, that would be the ideal option. So I'm just going to drill some holes in each corner and then saw or cut. Nearly all there. Plenty of hot glue. Just need to tuck the receiver inside. Suitable battery. These are just some batteries I had laying on the desk that happen to have the right plug on them. But they're 1S lipos. Well, that works. That'll do.